RDHL. BATL. BATL. RE2. BATL. BATL. FRGT. LAC. SGML.
VNRX.
RDHL.
All right, it's 4:10. It is slow. We didn't even get a
IOVA.
breakout for 4 a.m. It's just been a cold market this
SGML.
entire February. I don't
VNRX.
get it. I don't get it.
SGML.
Everything good? Can you hear me? Testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so what we got? Let's look at what we
RXT.
got. Top of the scanner is XWEL, CRCG, FRGT,
LUMN.
and that's about it. But I haven't taken any trades yet. Not seen anything. Yesterday we had something that happened at 4 a.m.
LUMN.
exactly, and that was the only stock that went up, I would say 50% yesterday, but it's been
FRGT.
kind of cold.
FRGT.
So I want to go in aggressively, but it's just when it's in a cold market and you go aggressive and it doesn't go your way, you end up in the red. It's going to be hard to kind of get those gains back because we're in a cold market. And then if you end up trying to revenge trade and lose more, then you're really going to be pissed off because now you can't find a stock that's going to get you those gains back.
RE2. XWEL. RE2.
FRGT.
FRGT. FRGT.
I say this all the time, but you see me get up, like I'm not sitting at this computer the entire time because there's only a certain time frame where breakouts will happen for momentum trading, which is 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
LUMN.
You'll have 4:30. It's in 30-minute increments where we'll get news releases. So 4, 4:30, 5, 5:30.
RE2.
Then you'll have 6, and then you'll have your 6:30 market open.
LUMN.
So you can see why I'm not like just sitting here staring at the computer from 4 a.m. to 6:30 when I know which times the like certain stocks are going to break out. It's going to be random.
FRGT.
It's going to be random news, and then you'll have your stock that'll pop up on the scanner, and then I'll type it in. I'll make sure what type of news it is. Make sure it's not like something like a initial offering or
re2,
reverse split, just some type of negative news. And then I'll look at level 2, time and sales, make sure that's all good, indicating like a buy. Then I'll look at my indicators, and then that's when I'm scaling into the stock. And then once I see
Big.
like the sellers are coming in, that's when I scale out of the stock. So I'm not about to be
VITF,
sitting here just, you know, just staring at the charts.
FRGT,
Definitely not want to do that.
BNAI, big spread, RXRX, XWEL, LUMN, FRGT, FRGT,
Like FRGT is at up 32%, but that was from yesterday's move. So the only one that I really want to hover over,
IREN,
oh, these are like dollar. If you get something
ALB,
with a low float
RXRX,
and it's
BNAI,
priced at
big
like
spread.
$3, that's something ideally that I like to trade. But anything below
FRGT,
$1, I don't
BNAI,
even like looking at it.
RXRX, XWEL,
You make a lot of money doing this, but it is so boring.
RXRX,
Even though I only have to trade for 3 hours, just waiting for an opportunity is still boring. But at least you could do it from anywhere around the world.
ORCL, ORCL price target updated, big spread, ORCL, RXRX, RXRX, IOVA, LAC, XWEL, RXRX, FRGT, BITF, FRGT. RE2. FRGT. XWEL. QBTS. FRGT. BNAI. Big spread. XWEL.
We got 2 minutes till 4:30. So we'll get
SGML.
another breakout, but that's crazy.
RGTI.
Our account was doing this. It's from $0 to $68,000.
RXRX.
And now it's just like this. It just stabilized. And we're barely making any money. Which, I mean, from going from $0 to $68,000, and I started the series in December, I think December 13th.
AXTI.
Is pretty good. But
NVTS. AXTI.
still shouldn't.
Big spread.
It should not be this slow. I don't know what's going on. There's no news. I mean, there's always manipulation with the markets, but for it to be like
AXTI.
dead still.
AXTI interesting action.
What's AXTI?
RDHL.
That one's a little bit out of our price range. That's $37 per share.
FRGT. FRGT.
Former cartel kingpin predicts attacks on government officials after El Mencho's death.
RXRX. PL. BNAI. RE2. Joby.
RE2.
Actually, I want to see what this says. 50-year-old
RE2.
side hustle brings in $1.4 million a year. It's easy for a beginner
BNAI.
like me to start. Six-figure
BNAI.
side hustle. Watch it be something stupid like selling pins or something. Drew a Star Wars stormtrooper. He started process sewing work, foundation paper piecing. What does he do?
RE2. ABTC.
Yeah, he
RE2.
literally just makes. He sells pictures, like blankets, pretty much.
RE2.
RE2?
RE2.
Oh no, it's a penny stock. So anything below $1, I do not
Benzinger
trade
market
it
update.
because
S&P futures up 24. The Dow futures up 100.
I usually do not trade anything below $1 because it can be heavily manipulated by if it's like a Chinese stock or some foreign stock, it can be easily manipulated and they can flush that stock. It's not even supposed to be anything below $1 is not even supposed to be listed on the NASDAQ. Usually companies, when they fall below $1, they'll do like a reverse split so they can stay listed on the NASDAQ. But if they do a reverse split, they're obviously not doing good. If it's below $1, it's obviously not doing good as a company. Wait, what's going on in Mexico? Why is everybody... Reign of terror in spotlight. Mexico has been rocked by retaliatory attacks from cartel.
BNAI.
I've traded BNAI
BNAI.
before.
WHLR. BNAI.
Whoa.
Big spread.
What?
CRCL.
I've traded this before. This thing was at like $1, like $3.
RXRX.
Yeah, when the January 23rd.
BNAI. BNAI. RDHL.
Did I trade this one? I think this is what made me that large
CRCL.
amount.
CRCL.
If I go back and check my
CRCL.
statements, I think this is the one.
CRCL developing setup.
40,000 or 50,000 in a day.
RDHL. CRCL. RE2. ABCL. IREN.
I don't even know what to hover over.
LUMN.
We'll just hover over Apple. So we get something. AAP.
RE2. RE2.
RE2.
RE2.
RE2.
RE2 cheap stock rallying 15%. RE2.
RE2. RE2.
RE2.
Just look at the damn stock. Look at this.
XWEL. BNAI. Big spread. BNAI. Big spread. BNAI. BNAI in play. CRCL. CRML. RE2. 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 Re2.
Re2.
Re2.
Mask.
JX is out.
RX RX.
PSTV.
Re2.
TJX reporting
Re2.
$1.58 versus the
Re2.
$1.38 estimate. That's a beat. Sales 17.74 billion, beating the 17.37 billion estimate. That's a
Eric
double beat
Dane
for
died.
TJX.
That
Tango
dude
Juliet
was
X-ray.
just.
Re2.
He was in Bad Boys. The new Bad Boys.
Re2.
Dang,
Re2.
dude. Bad Boys just came out in 2004.
Wrap big spread.
From ALS. ALS.
RX RX.
ALS. Isn't that like a nerve disease? Let me see. It affects the cells in the brain and spinal cord. Yeah, this is a nerve
XWEL.
disease.
Wrap.
Sheesh, bro, that's crazy. Mexico's president is reviewing legal action against Elon Musk. Bro, she worried about the wrong thing. Damn. Had the hiccups.
FRGT. Re2. CRCL. Big spread. Hood. CRCL. 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 CRCL showing activity. CRCL. CRCL.
See this.
CRCL.
This breakout happened way before we were able to
CRCL.
trade it in pre-market. So we couldn't trade at 325. We only trade at 4 a.m. That's when the broker will allow us
TJX
to
off
trade.
the highs
CRCL.
here.
CRCL.
Now at 155,
CRCL volume
down
present.
1.7%. Tango Juliet X-ray.
Mara. Re2. CRCL.
VNDA,
Re2.
Vanda Pharmaceuticals, announces FDA accepts its biologics license application for generalized pustular psoriasis treatment. That's Victor Nancy Delta Alpha, VNDA.
CRCL.
EVTV. EVTV.
CRCL. Re2. Mara. Re2.
To you. Just a boat. It's not yours.
FRGT. CRML.
Listen, I'm taking this boat without your permission. Do you have money souvenirs?
RXRX. Re2.
QNC.
EVTV. EVTV negative, Envirotech Vehicles has accepted delivery AIO high performance. LUMN.
Chasing us.
Yes, they are. You're driving.
ONDS. CRCL. XWEL. Re2.
We didn't even get a 4:30 breakout. I just
EVTV.
realized that 8 minutes
EVTV
past
Envirotech
4:30.
Vehicles has accepted delivery its initial.
Oh
Re2.
my goodness. I hope it picks up in March because this is crazy.
XWEL.
February is insanely slow.
EVTV.
Shares of TJX
XWEL.
right now up just 34 cents following their earnings report. Tango Juliet X-ray.
So now we're gonna wait till 5 a.m. We don't get a breakout from or 5 a.m. between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. It'll be a no trade day. I definitely don't force trades.
MRKR.
which is why I rarely have any red days.
IBRX. FRGT. BATL. FRGT. FRGT.
DGXX big spread.
FRGT. FRGT.
Candidates we've never seen. Why are you here?
FRGT. FRGT.
Did you see a little stupid mother? Little intense for some paper towels, right?
RXRX. BATL.
Shares of Sigma Lithium
Retweet.
at 1437 SGML. Other lithium stocks up this morning after Zimbabwe suspended exports of oil, minerals, and lithium concentrates. That from the Mines Ministry in Zimbabwe. LAC Lithium Americas share is just off the highs now. Lima Alpha Charlie.
EOSE. XWEL. XWEL.
That's the last time.
Why? What happened?
Yeah,
Sophie.
Bruh.
AG.
How much is 40? 40.
SGML. Lack.
QNC.
UIS. FRGT. RE2. FRGT. XWEL. CRCL. Big spread. RE2. FRGT. XWEL. IOVA. IOVA. UIS.
Hold on, I'll be back. You guys can use the scanner or whatever.
UIS.
HCWC.
UIS.
Zera.
RE2. ABTC. Poet. RE2.
HCWC.
UIS. RXRX. PYPL. DVLT. PYPL. FRGT. ABCL. XWEL. MSTR. IOVA. XWEL. RXRX. RZLV. RXRX. FRGT.
U.S. Trade Rep Greer on tariffs. Said, we'll see if current deals are modified. We'll report findings, calculate harm to Americans from trade
XWEL.
practices.
BATL.
Greer said tariffs will go up to 15% for some countries.
MSTR.
S&P futures right now just off the
CRCL.
highs, up about 23, 24 now.
CLSK. CRCL.
Greer says on tariffs, new trade investigations will look at excess industrial capacity and
CRCL.
forced labor supply in supply chains. Greer on Fox Business.
LAC. FRGT. DPRO.
ORCL, Oracle Health, launches device validation
XWEL.
program to streamline medical device integration and accelerate innovation in healthcare. That's Oscar Romeo Charlie Lima. U.S. Trade Rep Greer said, have discussed excess capacity with China.
Re2.
Greer said regarding China, China understands we're going to have some level of tariffs. Says we intend to stick to the China deal we had before.
CRCL. RXRX. RXRX.
AIIO,
VNRX.
Robo.ai to acquire controlling stake in Chinesky Car
CRCL.
Trading FZE. That's Alpha
UPXI.
India Oscar, AIIO.
XWEL. CRCL.
UPXI.
PLTR. BTQ. RXT.
BTQ. TPST. TPST. PSQH. TPST. TPST big spread.
TPST alert spiking 10%.
TPST.
WDC. Watch the spread. BTQ.
OPEC Plus at March 1st meeting to consider 137,000 barrel per day oil output increase for April.
BTQ.
That's from Reuters sources. TPST, Tempest reports complete response
TPST
rate and interim redeem one trial of TPST 2003 CAR T therapy. 100%
AEHM.
response rate on that.
Kappa. SCNX. BKKT.
NVO, Novo Nordisk, and
NVO.
Vivtex partner to develop next generation oral
VIAF.
medicines for obesity and diabetes.
FRGT.
That's November Victor Oscar.
INES watch the spread. Fro.
FRGT.
New.
SWX,
ENSC,
Southwest Gas, announcing
HTCR,
CEO succession plan. Sandy Whiskey
HCWC,
X-Ray.
HPQ, EDSA,
UAVS,
ENXT,
Eagle NXT advances defense
XWEL,
initiatives in Poland amid
HTGC,
market expansion.
ONMD,
That is Uniform
OBAI,
Alpha Victor
Tron,
Sandy.
EMPD, TMDE, ALTS,
ENVB and Veric Biosciences
FLNC,
announcing withdrawal of petition
ASPN,
against its patent. That's Echo November
NIXX,
Victor Bravo.
Calc, GNTA, ITRM, NVO, MRNO, IVF,
Uber out with a press release. We're
AVGO.
introducing Uber Air powered by
BNAI Big
Joby.
Spread,
That's
XWEL.
UBER and JOBY.
BNBX, XPON,
Mara,
Odd Big Spread, NXPL, SCZM,
Shares of Joby popping to the highs, $10.48.
TPST,
Still not getting nothing. I thought this was going to be our breakout that we needed, but it just didn't hold, especially
Joby.
with all this volume coming in on this first
Joby.
candle. And it
VNRX,
just flushes like
Joby,
I don't
Joby
know.
price stabilizing, Joby,
Pose,
Joby.
FRGT, Rio,
Let's look at Joby.
Joby,
Joby, Joby,
9.9. This
PSQH.
looks decent.
BDX, BD upsizes debt tender offer cap to $2 billion. That's Bravo Delta X-ray.
Mar.
Dang, a bunch of sell orders just came in for like 1042, 42,000, 45,000 at 10.
LUNR,
EVGN,
LUNR.
Evogene outlines plan to focus ChemPass AI platform on
WDAY
small
Big
molecule
Spread.
discovery and expand
XWEL,
partnerships
LAR,
in human health and agriculture while divesting non-core assets.
RE2,
That's Echo Victor Golf November.
I'm gonna do
Zura,
DJT,
this easy to borrow. Oh yeah, this is an easy to borrow stock.
Joby,
Float
Kids.
share
Odd.
is
CRCL,
DJT,
RUM Rumble
CRCL,
486
NFGC.
million.
Shorts gains Apple App Store approval for iPhones. That's RUM and AAPL.
We usually want the flow share to be like 10
UAMY,
million, 5 million.
INBS
The
Big
lower
Spread,
the better.
KTOS Kratos wins $61.1 million U.S. Navy contract modification for 70 BQM
CRCL.
177A aerial targets. That's Kilo Tango Oscar Sandy. KLAR, Klarna app monthly users reach 55 million. Daily usage rises 53%. That's Kilo Lima Alpha Romeo, KLAR.
CRCL,
Shares at the highs,
AGMH.
$14.22 on
BWEM.
Klarna.
CRCL, CRCL trend developing, CRCL,
CRCL is out of our price range.
VNTR, Vontier subsidiary, drives partners with
Especially if it's only
XLR8
making
America to manage
2%
5,000 plus
jumps.
charging sites.
2%.
That's Victor November Tango.
Oh, this is making 2%.
3-2.
Yeah. No.
Assistant,
Assistant. No. Low share is too high. This is 62 million. We need something with it's between
RDHL,
$3 and $5. Low flow, like 3 million. Positive news and good volume.
IBRX,
And that'll be something that we can jump in aggressively.
BTQ,
But other than that, we're in a cold market. I'm going in with probably like 500,000 shares, maybe 2,000 shares.
ARTV. MWG.
BTQ. FRGT alert parabolic 10%. RE2.
SDST big spread. BTQ.
Because if I go in aggressive and I jump into a stock
FRGT.
like this thinking that it's going to continue, have a
IOVA.
continuation, then I'm going to get flushed right here. And this little flush right here, 77
PSQH.
cents.
RE2.
Let's just say we jumped in right here, 62-cent loss. If I'm going in with like 1,000 shares at $600, boom, gone. So that's why I don't really want to first position jump in aggressively. Just scale in. If it doesn't continue, then I'll close my position, fully close it.
FRGT. RE2.
Zero.
Joby. Joby. Joby.
Is this going to be a slow climber though? These like easy to borrow stocks are usually the
IREN.
ones that just
Sleep big
simply
spread.
climb all day. Especially with Joby having a 546 million float share.
Kids.
What is
EXK.
this? This must be a stock that's been around for a while. What's the market cap?
Poet.
Kids.
$1 billion. In,
AVX.
no, that says $1 million in volume. It's up
SGML.
there with the market cap.
CURX. SGML.
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 The volume on this 30,000. No news though.
Joby.
Kids.
Oh, is this a Chinese stock? I'm off of this one.
XWEL. BTQ.
Odd.
SLE.
SLE.
BBD.
IMSR.
XWEL.
Peng big spread. AGPU.
Alb. Watch the spread.
AGPU. AGPU. XNCR. ANGH.
BBD.
INBS.
ABTC. BBD.
Should be ashamed of yourself not standing up. You should be ashamed of yourself. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that's always.
SGML.
Okay, now we're gonna wait till 5:30.
VZLA. IBRX. XWEL. ABTC. XWEL.
AVX. EJH.
XWEL. PLG.
VEE. VEE.
XWEL. 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 XWEL.
EJH.
Re2. PYPL. XWEL. Re2.
Zero.
RXRX.
TFC, Truist Financial, and Sheffield Financial, and Triumph extend multi-year retail financing partnership. Tango
XWEL.
Foxtrot Charlie.
Game.
CRCL.
SGML.
SLNH.
PRPL.
BITF.
JFBR, Jeff's Brands.
BITF.
Keepzone AI enters advanced counter-drone solutions market amid surging global demand for airspace security. That's Juliet Foxtrot Bravo Romeo, JFBR.
Zero. FLYW watch the spread. EJH.
XWEL.
JFBR. JFBR. SGML.
BITF. IOVA.
SGML.
Wolf.
SGML. Again.
CRCL. SGML.
EJH. BTOG.
ONDS.
Game.
CRCL. 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 CRCL basing. SGML.
SGML.
CRCL. CRCL.
SGML.
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 SGML. SGML showing strength.
SGML.
SGML. SGML. XWEL.
EJH. JFBR big spread.
BITF. CRCL. Re2.
Any.
Re2. 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 XWEL. XWEL. Re2. ASTS.
RYAM. STEX. RYAM.
XWEL.
RYAM. Watch the spread.
RYAM. Watch the spread. XWEL. RYAM. Big spread. KNRX. RYAM. Big spread. XWEL. RYAM. Big spread.
CNCK. Big spread.
Re2. RYAM. 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 RYAM starting to move. RYAM. Big spread. XWEL. CRWV. Big spread. RYAM. ONDS. COS.
JFBR watch the spread.
XWEL. Re2. Open. Joby. Joby.
WALD, Obagi Medical, and it's a secret med spa announced collaboration and Aloha program. That's Whiskey Alpha Lima Delta.
CRCL. Big spread. RYAM. XWEL.
RYAM big spread.
RYAM. Big spread.
FBLG.
RYAM. Big spread.
PGY.
RYAM. RYAM. RYAM gaining traction.
RYAM.
RYAM alert spiking 10%. RYAM. Big spread.
FBLG.
RYAM.
Heel big spread.
RYAM. RYAM alert spiking 15%. XWEL.
AGMH.
IOVA. XWEL. RYAM. Re2.
DTSS.
RYAM. NVTS. IOVA. XWEL.
LUNR.
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 LUNR. Allo.
LUNR, Intuitive Machines, advancing satellite communications and in-space data processing capabilities with $175 million strategic investment. That's LUNR.
CRCL. TE.
Shares moving on that news, hitting a high of $19.90 on LUNR.
RYAM.
GDC, GD Culture, authorizes sale of Bitcoin from 7,500 reserve. That's Golf Delta Charlie, GDC.
LUNR big spread.
LUNR. Big spread.
AIDX 2020 Biolabs launches one test for longevity blood test and chronic disease risk
IOVA.
assessment and management solution with IBM AI capabilities. That's Alpha India Delta X-ray and India Bravo Michael. MDT Medtronic announcing
XWEL.
launch in the EMEA of MiniMed Go Smart MDI system with Simplera sensor. That's Bravo Delta. That's Michael Delta Tango MDT.
RYAM.
UWMC reporting 8 cents in earnings. The estimate was 8 cents for Uniform Whiskey Michael Charlie.
XWEL.
NAGE, Niagen Bioscience secures new U.S. patent covering intravenous and injection formulations and methods of use for nicotinamide riboside.
Where? CRCL. RE2. XWEL. RXRX. Where?
I was looking at
XWEL.
RYAM, but
Where? Big spread.
it's just I don't want to risk it. So it's kind of looking like it's going to be like a no trade day, because especially if we didn't get a breakout at 4, I don't see anything happening at 6 or anything at market open. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to call it, but I do have to upload for
Where?
the series. So what I'm going to do is just do, instead of doing like just a recap on no trades,
CRCL.
I'm going to do a tutorial on how to day trade step by step for free. And I'm going to upload that video later on tonight. But for right now, I'm not seeing anything worth trading.
Watch the spread.
And I really don't want to go in aggressively, especially if we're in a cold market.
CRCL.
And we could potentially lose money. And it'll be really hard to come back from that, especially in a slow market. So I'm going to call it. Today's Wednesday. So we will be back at it on Thursday at 4 a.m.
Where big spread.
But I will catch you guys tomorrow.
ALC.
KULR.
Joby.
SGN. SGN.
RE2.